Hello folks, good morning. Today we'll discuss on how we can create projects in GCP. The simplest way to create projects in GCP is once you log into the console, just click on this particular drop down and click on new project. You can change the project name and the ID. The only difference is if you change the ID, then you cannot change it back, but the project name can be changed once you've created it. So it gives you a random text. You can change it and you can create a project name of your liking. So I'll just put this as my project ABC test. I need to select the billing division. If I don't select the billing division, then I might not be able to access a few resources like creating a virtual machine, etc. So to make sure that I have all the facilities available, I will need to choose a billing division. So I'll choose the default billing division that is already there, and I'll click on create. There is another way of doing the same thing. You can go to your main console again. You can click on the hamburger that you see to your right. Go to IAM and go to manage resources. You can see a visual representation of all the projects that you have available right now. And if you want to create a project, you can just do so by just clicking on this icon, and it'll take you back to the previous page. So that's the other way of creating a project in GCP using the console. Now, if you want to use the gcloud util function, then you can use that to create a project as well. So you can just go to the Cloud Shell. Just copy this command and you can just paste this command over here. You just need to give the project ID that you desire. So I'll just put this as AB. And you can just click. And that's it. So you can just close this console, and if you want to see all the projects that you have created, you can either go to the home page, click on this particular drop down, and see all the projects that you have within your particular organization. The other way of seeing all the projects that you have created is to go to the hamburger menu again, click on IAM and admin, and click on manage resources. So this will give you a visual representation of all the projects that you have created as well. Okay, thank you.